Welcome to the world of freelance services. Starting your own freelance website can be a daunting task, but with the right guidance, it can be done. I will teach you to make it happen with less than $180. First, set a clear goal and spot the audience. Think about what they use daily and on what they spend online time on. Second, find a name that stands out and the right domain for it. Brainstorm, combine words, and search. Don't rely on unprofessional thoughts. Third, purchase a hosting plan. I recommend Bluehost as it is the most reliable and 24/7 support available even during weekends. Plus, you get a free domain SL for a year. Fourth, secure your website with an SL certificate. This is necessary for processing payments and SEO. Fifth, install a freelance theme. Sixth, prepare the content.
Be clear and precise. Use infographics and highlight the most important points. Seventh, rely on a secure online payment option. I recommend Payoneer, as it has a yearly modest fee and great usability.
Finally, put everything together and check it for 5 days in a row. I say after 5 days, you can put it live.
So, starting your own freelance website is possible with the right guidance.
Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to success.